Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll share powerful anti-aging secrets, natural masks that reduce wrinkles, lift the skin, and fade dark spots. These recipes are simple, effective, and completely natural. First recipe. 1 teaspoon of rice flour. It gently exfoliates, brightens the skin, and reduces dark spots. 2 teaspoons of freshly brewed coffee. Coffee tones the skin, improves blood circulation, and tightens pores. Mix the ingredients until you get a smooth paste. This mask smooths texture, brightens dull skin, and tightens for a lifting effect. How to use. Apply to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands using a brush or your fingers. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool water to tighten the skin. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use this mask 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments and tell us, what city are you watching from? Second recipe. 1 egg white, rich in proteins, it tightens and firms the skin naturally. A few drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E nourishes the skin and reduces signs of aging. Benefit: this mask provides an instant firming effect, reduces fine lines, and nourishes the skin deeply. How to use. Apply a thin layer over your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it dry completely, about 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, pat dry, and follow with your favorite moisturizer. Use this mask 2 to 3 times per week. Third recipe. 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. Hydrates the skin and gently exfoliates. 1/2 teaspoon of gelatin powder. Firms and lifts the skin by boosting collagen. Benefit: this mask tightens the skin, smooths out wrinkles, and restores elasticity. How to use. Apply to clean skin on the face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 20 minutes until it firms. Peel or rinse gently with warm water. Finish with a moisturizer. Use this mask twice a week. If you're enjoying these DIY recipes, hit that subscribe button and join our natural beauty community. Fourth recipe. 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, rich in antioxidants and helps reduce fine lines. 1 teaspoon of freshly brewed coffee, stimulates the skin and tones it. 1 teaspoon of oat flour, soothes and softens sensitive skin. Mix all ingredients until creamy. Benefit: this mask calms the skin, improves elasticity, and adds a youthful glow. Apply to your face, neck, and hands with a brush. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, followed by cool water. Apply a lightweight moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Store any leftovers in the fridge for up to 2 days. Fifth recipe. Blend a piece of orange. 1 tablespoon of blended orange brightens the skin and boosts vitamin C. 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt hydrates and softens. Benefit: this mask fades dark spots, refreshes tired skin, and brightens your complexion. How to use: apply to clean skin on the face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Night cream. 1 teaspoon of snail mucin gel repairs and hydrates deeply overnight. A few drops of castor oil nourishes and softens fine lines. Benefit: this overnight cream rejuvenates the skin while you sleep and leaves it soft and firm by morning. Mix the 2 ingredients and apply as the final step of your night routine. Massage into clean skin until absorbed. No need to rinse. Use nightly or every other night. Extra mask. 1 small piece of banana mashed moisturizes and boosts glow. ½ teaspoon of cocoa butter improves skin elasticity and smoothness. Benefit: this mask deeply nourishes, softens, and gives the skin a youthful, dewy appearance. Apply to clean skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and follow with a moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Best when used fresh. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.